Okay. Not the shade. What's good, bro? How you doing? I've seen the yellow graphics. I was like, that's gotta be the same person. Yeah. Let's go. Only on the 110. That's that fuel injected life, dog. Homie on the right, got it. On that, I swear he was on a dirt bike last time, bro. Maybe I'm tripping, bro. I'm gonna ask him, but he's shredding that quad like it's no one's business. You feel me? Shredding. What's good?
Good, Papa.
How you doing?
Pretty good, pretty good.
You were on a dirt bike last time, right?
Oh yeah.
You be shredding quads too?
Anything.
Damn, that's dope, bro. Let's go. Shoot on that two-stroke quad. Let's go. That's and a hand. Okay. Not the shades. Your back's good and everything?
I'm good.
Yeah, that was a rough. That was rough. Of course. Woo, we off-roading, boy. No. I'm both stuck. Bro, I love just freaking off-roading and there's a little rainstorm going on.
Both, you know?
Huh?
You got a little bit of both, trails, yeah.
That's the best.
Right?
Yeah. Blaster wheel ski. That's what we're talking about. Woo, got the race banshee vibing. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Yeah. Hey, much love. Let's go. Vibing. We had to burn homie up, bro. We were in that stand up forever. He's still going, but he put it down. So you know, your boy Motor Bro took the W on that man. Oh. That's an RMZ, bro. Yo! Let's go. No. Is it in neutral? Put it in neutral?
Hey, I'm gonna ride it back for you.
Damn, that was intense. Bro, it's intense, dog. That was pretty gnarly, dude. I was right there. I was literally right there. Big H out here. Shout out Houston. Let's go. Boy, swagging, dog. Yes, sir. Bro, he's gotten so much better. It's ridiculous. I mean, his brother is Jamboro, who's a freaking goat. Yes, sir. So you know he's gonna have them genes already in his body, you know, just from having an older brother. I think he's older. Let's go. On the first Thumpstar, I seen you almost trip, bro.
Yeah, I'm a fucking shoe.
Let's go. We coming in hot with that yellow freaking graphic. Let's go. We outside, boy. You already know we got the race banshees vibing. Yeah, we outside right now, dog. On that little 150. I brought out the 150 today. I was like, you know, I've been riding the 450 so much.
See a little crazy?
That's what he was saying. It like bonks you or something. Like it feels good. Oh my God! Is this a brake?
No, that's the clutch.
Nah, dude. That's like a Harley clutch, bro.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh my God. Trying to race? Yeah, this thing is sketchy as balls, bro. Holy crap. Yeah, this thing is sketchy as balls. I ain't gonna lie, it's sketchy as balls.
I told you.
That big sport bike. That bit dange. You already know what I'm gonna say. That bit dange. I don't got that. That's a 250. Is that red dot on? Can you see?
No, it's not.
Or is it like the timer?
Yeah,
the timer's going? Yeah, yeah. All right, bet. Hey, is there race gas in there?
No.
No? I smell it. No? I knew he had some race gas. Y'all taking this out today or no? Y'all gonna be ripping this today or? Whose bike? It's his?
Yeah, that's his bike.
Damn.